Solve the equation and check your answer. 1 over x squared minus 4x plus 2 over x squared minus 16 equals 2 over x squared plus 4x. Well, we need to find the common denominator here, so let's factor each of these denominators. Here we can factor out a common factor of x, and that will leave x squared minus, it will leave x minus 4. Here we factor that as x plus 4 times x minus 4 because it's the difference of two squares. And on the right side, we factor out a common factor of x, which leaves us with x plus 4. So now we can see the common denominator includes x, the x plus 4, and x minus 4. So that means we need to multiply both sides by x times x plus 4 times x minus 4. And the right-hand side, we have to do the same, multiply by x times x plus 4 times x minus 4. When I multiply this equation, this left-hand side of the equation, I need to think of this as being in parentheses. And so we must distribute the LCD to each of those. When we do this, notice that the x minus 4 will cancel the x and the x minus 4. That leaves us with x plus 4 times 1. When we distribute the LCD here, notice that the x minus 4 and x plus 4 will cancel the x minus 4 and the x plus 4, leaving us with x times 2. On the right-hand side, the x will cancel the x plus 4 will cancel the x plus 4. That leaves us with x minus 4 times 2. Simplifying each side, here we have x plus 4 plus 2x equals, distributing the 2, 2x minus 8. Let's simplify each side, or at least the left-hand side, where we combine x plus 2x to get 3x plus 4 equals 2x minus 8. Let's subtract 2x from each side, subtract 4 from each side, which gives us the x's on the left side, the constants on the right side. 3x minus 2x is x, 4 minus 4 is 0, 2x minus 2x is 0, negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. So we believe our answer is negative 12, but what we now need to do is check that in the original equation. So here we have the original equation, and we're going to check to see if when we substitute negative 12 in place of each of these x's, we get a true statement. So we have 1 over negative 12, the quantity squared, minus 4 times negative 12, plus 2 over negative 12, the quantity squared, minus 16. We want to know, does that equal 2 over negative 12, the quantity squared, plus 4 times negative 12? All right, so let's simplify this. We have 1 over 144 plus 48. Then we have plus 2 over 144 minus 16. And then on the right-hand side, we have 2 over 144 minus 48. So on the left-hand side, this fraction, we have 1 over 192 plus 2 over 144 minus 16 is equal to 128. Now, while we're here, notice that those will reduce, and it reduces to 1 over 64. On the right-hand side, we have 2 over 144 minus 48 is 96. And let's notice that that reduces to 1 over 48. So now, common denominator, 192 and 64 is the 192. we would have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So that would be 1 plus 3 over 192. That's 4 over 192. And dividing each of those by 4, we get 1 over 48. And then that's, of course, equal to the 1 over 48 that we have there. So our answer checks. So our answer is x equals -12.